Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola E22L. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and find System. Here enter Gestures, and the first option is double press power key to either launch a Google Assistant, launch camera, or choose none. And now let's try it out with a camera. We can double press power key, which is located right here, and it should open our camera. Next feature is system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate your device. You can either go for gesture navigations or 3-button navigations. And it basically changes how you, as I mentioned, how you navigate your phone. When you choose gestures, you will need to draw around your phone with a finger. If you choose 3 buttons, you will see them on the bottom of the screen, and you can navigate your phone like this. Then there's the power touch, and double tap on the power key for a quick shortcut. And don't press the button, just double tap, and it should launch this power menu. Next thing is prevent ringing, and you can enable or disable it. When you enter this option, you can press on the volume up and power key to either put your phone on vibrate or mute mode. Now let's try it out. As you can see, it works fine. Then there's fast flashlight, and here you need to enable it. And when you shake your phone, like you make a handshake or perform like something like karate chop, and this feature never works for me for some reason. You can try it if you like. Okay, now it actually worked. You can also disable the flashlight the same way. Next one is 3-finger screenshot. All you have to do is touch your and hold 3 fingers onto the screen to take the screenshot. Like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.